Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom was trading quite friendly today, had a few green candles. Overall, it was quite a friendly day in crypto, but Fantom, I think, outperformed some other coins. It's trading around the $1 mark. The overall scenario hasn't changed since the last update. I'm still tracking primarily here this white scenario. And that should give you some clear parameters. So obviously what we highlighted in the last update was that from this swing low in October last year, we saw the price form a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 to the downside. It did land at the time in the support area and rallied substantially from support into resistance. Okay, so that was a great trade setup back then. The chart has now reached obviously the resistance area and the 100% extension level here at $1.06 of the first 1-2 setup. It could also be an A-B scenario in which the C wave here could be finished at any point. Yeah, that's why I don't think there's a great long entry at the moment, at least not from an Elliott wave point of view. That was down here. Now it's all about understanding what parameters now need to be fulfilled for the price to confirm further the white scenario. So in this white scenario, which is more bullish, the price should rally a bit further, minimally to $1.41 and ideally actually to $1.69. That would be the first ideal target here in a third wave to reach the 138% extension of wave 1. And if it can do that, then I can adjust the support area here accordingly that I talked to you about in the last video. And that would then act as a support area for wave 4. At the moment, if the price dips into this area, I would not call that as wave 4, at least not as wave 4 in this wave degree, because the wave 3 hasn't even fulfilled minimum requirements. So the wave 3 is too short. So it could be an ABC structure, yes. At the moment, any pullback would not be, well, it could be a wave 4 within this structure, but not this wave 4. So I hope that's clear. It might be, any pullback might be a wave 4 within this larger third wave. But really, I think the next interesting setup could be this wave 4 of this wave degree. But we first need to see if the third wave can push higher to 141 or 169. Then obviously we can adjust the support area accordingly. So for example, if the third wave reaches 169, which I would prefer, then the support area would be between $1.14 and 73 cents. The support area at the moment where it is right now, it's the 50%, so the lower boundary is the 50% retracement of the current third wave rally there, yeah, or C wave. And a break below 62 cents, which is that 50% retracement, would confirm a more substantial top in place. Could then confirm that probably an ABC structure formed the top. That will open the door to a whole array of different scenarios. So it would be, for most clarity, it would be preferable if the price could reach, well, at least $1.41, better $1.69. Then in any pullback, we can expect the price to reach this support zone, and then, which would have to be adjusted, as I said. And then for the price to, yeah, we will look for a reaction in this area. And from there, the fifth wave to the upside could be traded. You know, until then, I think there is no great trade here unless you use another set of indicators or something. You have your personal edge or something. But yeah, I mean, looking at the microstructure, it's really difficult to say. It is very hard to decipher and to come up with a reliable count. I mean, best I could offer here would be that this is another 1-2. Then possibly we had another 1-2, 3, 4, 5 or something. And it could be a 3, 4, 5, but possibly you never know how many 1-2 setups are in here. It's just not, this is not a clear, you know, structure on the micro level. It's probable, in my opinion, if really this third wave fills in, that this is currently a wave 4 in wave 3, and it's probably more like that. But then the micro count doesn't really help us. That's why I have the support area on the chart anyway. So this is definitely relevant right now as a support area already between 89 cents and 62. I will actually move it over here. More like that. Yeah. So it's relevant right now, this fourth wave support. It's probably even, it probably would even need to be adjusted a little higher like that, but it's only a support area. It's not necessarily a target because the microstructure is not clear at all. It just isn't. You know, I could come up with, oh, maybe this is one too, or maybe this is also one, and maybe this as well. But yeah, it doesn't help much. I think this is realistic because it would allow for one more high in wave 5 of 3 to reach those targets that that I mentioned. Yeah. So that's my update about Fantom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.